How to fix mobile hotspot and other tethering functions is being grayed out on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we then scroll down and then tap on connections. After that, scroll down and tap on data usage. Then tap on data saver, and from here tap on turn on now. Tap on the toggle button to switch off data saver. Then tap on back key, then tap on back. After that, go down and tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. Now mobile hotspot, you can turn it on, and then you can also turn on Bluetooth tethering if you want to use that feature as well. Now for USB tethering and Ethernet tethering, you need to connect to a USB device, such as your computer or over your internet router. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.